Hello, my name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with Jennifer recently about a quick website audit and was nice enough to pass along her information so that we can show you where your company is currently ranking in terms of Google searches and how Advanced Commercial Painting LLC is stacking up to its competition online. So in this video, we'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have some pretty huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the three things I'm going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, given the fact that you, just judging by your website, are primarily commercial based, with that in mind, particular search engine optimization keywords probably will not benefit you as much as others will. What I mean by that is a lot of Google searches end up taking place from either residential people or people that have small businesses. The primarily bigger ones that I'm seeing here on your webpage, I'm sure that those are contracted out jobs through some sort of bidding process, and so probably Google isn't the top place that your current clients would come from. But I did want to shed some light on the fact that there is a pretty heavy commercial painter search volume in Miami, so I feel like it was worthwhile to note that. Currently, y'all are not ranking for any kind of commercial painting. Y'all probably haven't tried. The website itself is very, very professional. It's clean. It's fairly straightforward. You have your different clients that are listed up here. So very, very geared towards the larger commercial community. Now, one thing that I did want to note is that whenever your commercial clients do end up visiting your website, whether that's just to do a preliminary due diligence or to just check y'all out, a few things that I did notice are, first off, your logo up here, for whatever reason, it's coming through as kind of blurry. So you want that to be as crisp as possible so that whenever they go to your webpage, I'm on a fairly smaller screen, and so it's making it look better than it probably even is if some of these, big dollar ticket clients use. But that was something that I noticed that you probably want to take a look at. Also, including some testimonials, if you're able to get any from these major clients. Testimonials go a long way in building your credibility with prospective new clients. And lastly, on this homepage of yours, you do want to incorporate some form of content. Right now, it's pretty basic. You probably have less than 200 words of content. And basically, this is where you would include those various types of keywords for the commercial painter market online, as well as appealing to your larger corporate clients. So the things you would want to target would be commercial painters Miami, painting companies in Miami, among some others. And you would want that to be worked into content of about 1,000 words. So that allows you to inject those keywords organically, making it not appear as though you're just trying to cram in keywords. And I think that would go a long way in being able to reach some of those smaller commercial clients, but commercial clients nonetheless, and bringing you in that extra revenue from that perspective. Now, a tool that we use to measure site traffic and the strength of your backlinks that go to your website is called Ahrefs. You may or may not be familiar. And so the important thing about backlinks is that it pertains to other websites that are pointing back at you. And the more credible the website is that it's pointing back at you, the more favorable Google views your website. And right now you have 62 backlinks from 13 different domains. And regardless, again, you may or may not even be targeting for this SEO portion of your website. You're only getting one organic traffic, so one search-based visit to your website per month. This is over the past month. So I did want to show you what one of your competitors is doing. This is Top Paint Pros Miami. And as you can see, they have 29 backlinks from 18 different domains. Those are very, very targeted backlinks. And it's yielding an organic traffic of about 456. Granted, some of that is residential painters, but they are also the top ranking company for commercial painters. And in my research, I've shown that there's at least 100 people per month, or 100 unique searches per month for commercial painters in the Miami area. So that, if you're able to claim that top spot, you usually get about 30 to 40% of that search volume. So 30 to 40 new clients per month for commercial work. I figured that wouldn't be a terrible increase to your revenue. So something to keep in mind. We can talk to you more about backlinks and ranking properly and so on and so forth. I know that that's probably not y'all's top concern right now, but like I said, it could be an extra source of revenue if y'all have the capacity for it. So last thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called citations, really quick. Whenever you do any kind of searching on Google, for example, commercial painters Miami, first thing that pops up is going to be your paid Google ads. The next is your Google Map Pack. I would definitely, at the very least, try to show up on this because it does hold a lot of credibility since you appear so high up on the Google search pages on the first page. And the way you do this is by obtaining citations. Citations are just your name, address, and phone number listed across the various directories online. That could be Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie, any kind of commercial web directories. You just want to have more of those than this Florida painting company right here. And again, it's not because they have the most reviews or they have the best reviews or the biggest company. That none of that matters. Only thing that matters is that they have more of those citations. So again, if you'd like to discuss it further, any of this further, you're welcome to give Megan a call. Her number is 210-865-0718. Thank you so much for watching.